Crossley's Ghoulies. So, close the curtains and turn out the lights. Well, not all the lights. Just lost my chair there. I mean, leave your reading light on. You don't have to trip over the cat now, do you? And here's what's coming up on today's show.
In Caught by the Ghoulies, our victim gets a fright when he opens his shed. Zombie Anchor's got a surprise in BeastEnders. There's no surprises for our slime-covered contestants in Monster Mind. Plus, there's more from Stephen Freak, Blood and Guts. And the Saturdays get the scariest surprise when they're in detention with Professor Ron Monster.
Oh, yes. It's going to be, horrifically hilarious.
You're not funny. Who's going to laugh at a bone bag like you?
I've just sat down and already he's piped up. Oh, listen, you, right? People are more likely to laugh at me than a horrible, putrid, sweaty little bag of an armpit like you, Sonny Jim.
Oh, yeah? I'll have you know I performed a stand-up gig last week at a local jar. Sellout it was. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Armpit, distant relation of Brad Pitt, and married to, stop it, not tonight, I've got a headache. An armpit mate of mine went to see that Star Wars the other day. He's a big fan of Oda.
Well, no, seriously, Armpit, I never knew. That's amazing. Did you make a lot of money on the door?
Nah, pitiful. Get it? Because I'm an armpit.
I set the alarm clock off as a reminder. The thing is, I can't remember for the life of me what I set it for. Hang on, let's have a look. Oh, will you shut up? There we go. That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, is that you?
No.
What is it that you're trying to say to me? What is it you're trying to say? Grandma's coming to stay. I don't understand. Stop giving me all these subliminal messages. You're playing with my mind. Just spit it out, man. Grandma's coming to stay. Grandma's coming to stay. Grandma's coming to stay. Grandma's coming to stay. I've not seen her for years. Oh, I love grandmas, mate. They're brilliant. They're like little babies, aren't they? They're bald and they're wrinkly and they're grey and they've got no teeth and some of them even wear nappies. Fantastic! Oh. Shall I put her onto radio while we wait for Grandma to come? Here we go.
And I know that's gonna be a sunny day today. Yeah, I love you, baby.
How grim.
Hello. My name is Screaming Lord Grimace. And it is that part of the show where I will read you a sickly story that may just make you quake in your boots. This week's grim tale was written by Kerry with an I, Atkins, and it goes just a little bit like this. One day I was very excited to find out that my father was taking us out for a surprise trip to Skegness. Best fish and chips in the world there. It was whilst on the motorway I realised that I had drunken far too much dandelion and burdock juice and feared I was going to get caught short. I pleaded with father to pull over so I could go and pee in the lay-by, but he refused as we were driving at 71 miles per hour down the fast lane. 70 miles per hour is the actual speed limit. Maniac should be incarcerated. My mother decided to solve the problem by passing me an empty yogurt pot for me to direct my pee into. With no choice, I mounted the pot and aimed the PP with precision. This procedure worked for approximately 5 seconds, but I had another 15 seconds to go. And I went all over the back seat. How grim is that? If you have a grim tale, then why not send it in to me here at the castle? And if it is sickly sweet, I may just insert it into my Clemosaurus. But remember...
If it's not grim, don't send it in.
Da-dee-da.
How grim was that? Do you know what? There's nothing more I love than tucking into a lovely yoghurt while watching a grim tale. Amazing. Although this is very yellow and very warm. And it's certainly not... It's not... Tarquin? What flavour is this?
They're all natural ingredients, Master. All my own natural ingredients.
Ross, do you mind? That just missed me.
Do you know what's worse than that? I actually quite like it. Anyway, while you watch SpongeBob SquarePants, I'm going to start dusting my desk for when Grandma arrives. Ah, lovely, lovely, lovely. Dust into everywhere. Dusty, dusty, dust, dust.
Pest control.
Eats. This is a little bit worrying. That's the pest control man, and this place is oozing with pests. Excuse me, sir, but I've got no pests in this house whatsoever. This floor is spotless. I eat my dinner off this floor. Just this morning, I had egg, bacon, fried mushrooms. They were nice. Baked
That's
eggs.
exactly the problem, sir. You see, on pest control, I'm here to make sure you have the required amount of pests in a controlled environment.
Right.
And at present, your pest level is not above the legal requirement. So, give me some space. Spiders. Maggots. Squirrels. Good! Now, tell me, you got any wasps?
No.
Bees?
No.
You telling me you haven't got one bee in this place?
No.
Well, I'll leave this with you then.
What's that?
It's a banzai bumblebee tree nest from eastern Timbuktu. Water it every day and it will grow and grow, as will your population of bees. The wetter, the better.
Ah.
Right, well, I'm off, mate. Catch you later.
Oh, It's a bit lucky, innit? I thought we were going to get caught by the Ghoulies then, which, funnily enough, brings us to the next part of the show, which is Caught by the Ghoulies, where I will be playing many an evil trick on your friends and loved ones. Hey, Armpit?
Yeah. Idiot.
So, without further ado, let's welcome today's Chaos Conjurer!
Come on, this way, you. Hurry it up. They're all day. There, sit.
Greetings. Did you enjoy the ghost train ride?
Yeah.
You liked it? You don't look very scared. You should be coming off that vehicle like this.
He's a tough nut.
Is he a tough nut?
Yeah.
Nah. Pull us a ghoulie face.
That's a good one.
Can you pull a ghoulie face, Armpit? You just lost your face. You got no face. No shame. What I would like to do now is have a look at the stunt that you pulled, but I'd like to know who is it that you set up and why?
It was my dad because he screams like a girl.
Screams like a girl.
Good reason.
Can you do an impersonation of him screaming like a girl?
No.
No, I'll tell you what, shall we just watch it? Let's just watch it. Harrison's dad screaming like a girl.
Greetings to you, and welcome to Caught by the Ghoulies. My name is Vincent Van Gross, your horror host ghost, and today you find me in the middle of a football pitch. What you doing in the middle of a football pitch? Well, keepy uppy. Today I will be scoring a goal with my very own team, a team of the undead, and they will be tackling Harrison's father, who apparently screams like a girl. Well, I can't wait to hear his high-pitched shrieks as he goes to collect his balls from the training ground shed in what I have called... We're not on the lawn this week, we're actually in the shed. Well, I think we should change the name to... I don't care what you say. I am finally going to make an executive decision, all right? In what I have called... All right, is it? Oh, sorry. So, Torty, let's get naughty. Look at me in my sports kit. Well, this is nothing. Look at me zombie bite. Come on, let's go and hide.
So, with our hidden cameras in place, Harrison's dad arrives at the training ground and makes his way to the shed. The shed of terror. The shed of the dead. Little does he know that we have a surprise in store for him. Well, that scared the living daylights out of him. Let's see that again. The fun isn't over yet, though, as it's time for yours truly to make an appearance. So Harrison's dad not only screams like a girl, but he jumps like one too. Let's see it one more time with our screamometer. That's a 5.8 on the screamometer. Not bad for a man who screams like a girl.
Harrison, did you like that?
Yeah.
The only problem was he didn't actually scream like a girl. I wanted to hear him scream. Is that how you would have sounded? Anyway, Your dad scored. Tarquin, I believe it was a 5.8 on the scrumometer.
5.8.
5.8, so stick it on there for all to see, so it can go down in the annals of terror history. How do you feel? Are you happy about your little stunt?
Yes.
Yeah? Here we go. It just keeps getting better and better. A ghoulie bag full of terrifying things. There's a doll of me, there's a t-shirt, and there's a ticket to the London Dungeon. There we go, so don't be a dummy. And get out of here.
Go on.
Get it.
Get
Off
out.
it. Go on.
Get out.
Right, now, on to more important things. It's time for you, me, and everyone out there to watch my all-time favourite horror soap. And when I say horror soap, I don't mean those bars of soap that you find at the side of your bath covered in curly hairs. No, I mean EastEnders, of course. Now then, where have I put the remote control? Down here. What are you laughing at, you sack of spud?
Nothing. I'm just happy, you know, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, feeling a bit nuts today, you know. I don't want to get on your back about it.
You've lost it. Ah, here we go. Here it is. Come on, remote, come on, quicker. You were a lot quicker when you were younger. He's losing it.
Yeah, move on.
Spare parts, come and get your spare parts. My limbs are a cut above the rest, make no bones about it. Oh, a pound of eyes, what a surprise! A pound of balls, I wouldn't know. Oh, zombie anchor, what can I do for you?
I'm looking for the invisible man. Can you give me a hand?
Oh, the invisible man. Do you know what? Thinking about it, I've not seen him around here for ages. Hey. Look, I tell you what, why don't you go and try and... Pauline Howler, down the laundrette, just over there. I hate it when it does that. It really smarts. Oh, well, that's the last time I'm doing a service wash for the mummy. Look at this. Blood, sweat, tears, wee. Hello, Pauline. Ow! What do you want? Can't you see I'm busy? It's a full moon tonight. Puts me in a go-go mood this time of month. I'm looking for the invisible man. The invisible man. The invisible man. I've not seen him around here for ages. I tell you what, why don't you go see Cat Slaughter down at the Scream Vic? She'll do you a lovely decaffeinated latte. Hello, zombie anchor. I thought I could smell something funny. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for the invisible man.
The invisible man? Well, we've not seen him round here for a while. What are you looking for him?
Oh, I've got something very important to tell him.
Oh, have you? Anything you've got to tell him, you tell me first.
Why?
I'm seeing him.
How many have you had? You said you weren't going to drink today. You've got no substance, you.
I've heard that someone's looking for me.
Yes, it's me.
What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Do you know
her? Yeah, we were seeing each other a long time ago.
I've got something to show you.
What is it?
Look.
Oh, hello. Welcome back to Filthy Manor. Now then, you just caught me changing Mr. Budgie's water here, because look at that. Horrible. It's all clean and nice. Oh, that's no good at all.
I'm thirsty, Ross, thirsty.
This is what we want, Mr. Budgie. This is what we want.
Horrible, green, slimy, stagnant water. Just put that in there. How are you today, Mr. Budgie? You all right?
I'm so lonely, Ross. I've got nobody to care for, nobody to be with, to love.
Oh, well, you have now, with your very own brand new Birdcage Mirror Deluxe accessory with added bells on. There you go. Get your mush into that.
Are you looking at me? Are you? You're looking at me? Oh, you're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. No, you're gorgeous. Oh, you're making me blush, you are.
Hours of fun.
Oh, how lovely you are. Oh, saucy.
Has anyone seen my glasses?
Grandma?
It's
Oh.
nice to see you.
Oh, I've got to save you. Oh, how lovely.
Grandma, you look different.
Oh, dear.
Oh, I do love me, Grandma, but not this much. Oh, coming up next is brand new iCarly. Oh, I'll see you in a bit. I mean, in a bit. Oh. So you're all right, Grandma?
Eels.
You got here all right? No problems?
Eels.
Well, there was problems. What with the traffic?
Eels.
Oh, well, that's that new thunderpass that they built over the horse and carriageway. Terrible, really. I did sign a petition, but can I get you anything?
Eels.
What would you like?
Eels.
What?
Eels.
Ears! Oh, I forgot to set my hearing aid up. Here we go. There we go, that's better. Can you hear me?
Eels.
Ah, good. So, you're all right then, Grandma?
Eels.
You got here all right? There's no problems?
Eels.
What, with the traffic?
Eels.
Oh, well, that'll be the new thunderpass that they built over the horse and carriageway. I did sign a petition, but what do they know? So, you're all
Ever
right,
get the
Grandma?
feeling you've heard something before?
You got here all right? There's no problems? Hello? 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 Oh, hello. Are you nice? You look nice. Do you like me? I like you. My name's Stephen, and I live in the dustbins. It's nice in the dustbins. It smells of cabbage. I like cabbage, but cabbage doesn't like Stephen. Cabbage doesn't like Stephen because it makes my bum fall asleep. How do I know my bum falls asleep? Because it starts snoring. Other things that make me bum fall asleep are baked beans and comfy mattresses. Sometimes I can hear them snoring up there, but they're not snoring today because they're all so excited. I'm so excited because Grandma's coming to stay. I like grandmas. I wish I was a grandma. I'd be able to wear a wig all day long and go to bingo and shout house and suck on mints until all my teeth fall out. Two fat ladies. Oh, that's me! House! Oh, I've just won £1 million. That means I can buy all my friends a hat. But I don't have any friends. Because nobody comes to see Stephen anymore. Nobody comes to see Stephen anymore. Nobody. At least I've got me cabbage. Oh, and I've got some rice. I'm going to show you how to make a maggoty face using rice and honey that's made from bumblebee poo-poo. All you do is you rub the bumblebee poo-poo into all your nooks and crannies, and then you say the magic word. Maggoty face. I'm a little maggoty face. I'm a little maggoty face. I'm a little... No, don't go. I haven't put the maggots on my knees. jumper, Grandma.
Yes.
Oh, I've got you a present as well. Oh, yes. Tarquin, can you bring on the rocking chair? Hey, come here, Grandma. Right. Come on, Grandma. Steady as she goes, steady as she goes. That's it. Now then, you just plonk yourself down. Take the weight off your feet. That's it. Now then, I've got no idea how this works, because I bought it on eBay. But let's have a look here. Ah, that's it. That's it. Now that is what I call a rocking chair. Don't worry, I know exactly what I'm doing. Now, it's just over here. Grandma? Where's Grandma? Grandma? What's happened? Oh no. There's only one thing that's going to snap Grandma out of this. Now look, kids at home, I normally wouldn't condone this sort of thing, and it should only be done under the most extreme of situations, but it's no good. I'm going to have to make a cup of tea. While you watch the creepiest copyright teacher this side of Creepville, Professor Von Monster, and who's in his detention with him today? Grandma!
Just bear with me 1 second. I am Professor Von Monster, and you have all been so very, 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 very naughty. I am from Germany. A place called Burping. A little village, and what we do in Burping, when we meet each other, we say our little song together. I want you all to sing it with me. Okay. All you have to do is go hi, 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 pakarara, 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 hi, 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 pakarara. That is enough fun for now. Yes.
Okay. Can we teach you our song?
Shut up. Now it's time for the lesson.
Okay.
We're going to make it as fun as we can.
Okay.
We are going to do the evolution of the man. I like to do my lessons using the medium of the dance. So, what I would like you to do now is, if you do not mind, I need you all to join me up on the stage as we do the workout for the dance. If you would like to join me here. We need the lights and we need the music. Okay, and walk with attitude. Walk with attitude. You know like you do when you're on your own. Lucky sound. That's it. We're an amoeba. We're an amoeba. We're an organism. We don't know why. We're just glad to be an organism. I don't know how things move, but if they did, they would move like this. Real organism. An organism. And now we're in the water. We are the fish. We are the fish. That's it. Now away with me. There's a fish. Now with me to the right. Laugh with me. And laugh with me. And as we swim in the sea, this is very good for our own point, for lots of laughter, and our gills. And now we have a dinosaur. We have a dinosaur. To the left.
To the left! To the right! But here comes the Stone Age, the Ice Age, we freeze! We freeze. Oh, we're freezing our bits now. But no, now we become the monkey. And as we do the monkey, we're now about to do what monkeys like to do best. Not flying through the trees, we took our poo-poo. We took our poo-poo. We took our poo-poo. Concentrate, we took our poo-poo. We took our poo-poo. We took our poo-poo. And now, we're on that again. And we say to our wives, hey wives, where are my slippers? Where are my slippers? Where are my slippers?
No!
Where are my slippers?
No!
Where are my slippers?
Get your own slippers!
Class dismissed! Where are my blooming slippers?
Oh my god, that's the best thing we've ever done!
Well, I've made Grandma a cup of tea, given her some biscuits, so she's fine now, nothing to worry about. Another crisis averted. But I'll tell you what, it's done my head in. And talking of heads, it's time for Monster Mind. My name is Noel Headmans, and I can go to bed whatever time I like. Last night, I went to bed at 10:30. This is Monster Mind. What exactly is Monster Mind? Well, it's all about the mind, and I like to stretch my mind as often as possible. And other people's minds, and I'm about to stretch two contestants' minds by firing a series of questions at them on their own silly chosen subjects. If they've been neglecting their mind, well, it's time for the brain's revenge. And that sounds messy. So, without further ado, please welcome Morgana. Morgana, how do you do?
All right, but I'm starving. I need cake. I've got low blood sugar. I need cake, any cake, all cake. I want chocolate cake. I want banana cake, fish cake, any cake. Just get me cake.
Cake all the time. I get that all the time. All the time. Morgana, please welcome our first contestant. Okay, are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah.
I see you've got a smile across your face. We may just be wiping that off with a little bit of goo. It all depends on the strength of one's brain. What's your name and what is your chosen subject?
I'm Josh and my chosen subject is Heroes, the first series.
Well, let's see if you're going to be a hero, Josh. I prefer the third series. Okay, this is Monster Mind. Let's have 60 seconds on the pacemaker. I had my own chimpanzee until yesterday. Started to bite. It's gone back to the shop, like all my other friends. This is Monster Mind. Where is Peter when he's first told to save the cheerleader, save the world?
On the train.
It says here subway tube, I'll let you have it. True or false? Matt Parkman can bend time and space.
False.
This is indeed false. What power does Claire Bennett have?
Regeneration.
Is that the same thing as she can heal herself?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Which character can erase people's memories?
The Haitian.
What is Hyro's friend's name? Ander. Slime him. There we are. So, who's the hero now? Me, I think. What is Macar's powers?
He can talk to...
Josh, you're talking tosh. He's a telepathonic. Slime him. Lovely. Where does Sylar get his name from?
A what?
Watch out. What is Sylar's real name?
Gabriel Gray.
Gabriel Gray. In the future, who is the President of the United States? Josh.
Nathan Petrelli.
Nathan Petrelli. You indeed are a superhero. Josh, you scored 7 points. Lovely. Well, we have now contestant number 2 in the chair. The chair seems to fit you well. How are you feeling? Feeling good?
Yeah.
Confident?
Yep.
What's your name?
Louis Eggleston Reed.
Louis Eggleston Reed. What is your chosen topic for today?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants. A popular choice. 60 seconds on the pacemaker. This is Monster Mind. What is Mr. Crab's middle name? It's Harold. You knew that, but you're going to get a bit of slime. Come on. In the ears. There we go. Let's lubricate the brain. Where does SpongeBob buy the Plan Your Own Party kit?
Is it from the mall?
I'm afraid it's not from the mall. You know nothing, kid. It's by the mart. Slime. What was Krusty Krab called when Pearl redecorated it?
Is it the cuddly crab?
Correct. And you look like a cuddly crab sat there, dripping with the colours of the ocean. What creature is Squidward?
Is it an octopus?
He certainly is. Who are the two heroes of Bikini Bottom?
It's Mermaid Man and Monocle Boy.
Oh, just in time. What is Plankton always after?
The Krusty Krab.
Too late. Sorry, you're going to have to be slimed. You are absolutely correct, but I'm just feeling a little bit cruel. What is Mr. Crab's pet worm's name?
Gary.
No, Louis Eggleston. It's Mr. Doodles. Mr. Doodles has left you in poodles of slime. Louis, you are now dripping with glee with a fabulous 3. And so, without further ado, let's look past the goo and see that the winner is Josh with 7. Monster Mind. That was Monster. Oh, let's get that cat. Oh, taking the mickey. Oh. Well, that was Monster Mind. Oh, Granny, did you just burp up and pee? That's not right, that is it? That's very strange. Coming up next is iCarly. Grandma.
Meow.
Welcome back to Mosley's Ghoulies. Granny's burping bees. And I've got no idea why. No idea why. No idea.
It's a banzai bumblebee tree nest. Water it every day, and it will grow and grow.
No, I haven't got a clue. I can't figure it out for the life of me. Oh, Armpit, what am I going to do? Look at her. Look at her face. Look at her hair. And she's burping bees.
Just be happy, mate. I mean, she's behaving herself. She's positively buzzing.
Now is not the time for stand-up comedy. Oh, whoa. She's stopped. I think she's actually stopped. Oh, crikey! Oh, next up, blood and guts!
basement. It's blood.
And guts. What are you doing, blood?
I was having a clear out, Guts. Is this yours?
Blood. I won that for coming third place on X Factor. It was 4 years ago. My mum made me go to the auditions. I was nervous. I blew them away.
Without a doubt, the best part we've heard all day. You, young man, you could win this competition.
I ended up in the final. It was between me, the Grandmaster Duff, and Boris the Blow-Off Windross. I'd been eating Brussels sprouts and baked beans all morning. The Grandmaster Duff let off a rumbler. And then Boris farted his name. Impressive. Then it was my turn. But it wasn't acting blood. And then, suddenly, I pooed my pants. I was a laughing stock.
So do you want me to throw it away?
Nah, blood. Keep it. Put it on the mantelpiece. Any award for pooing your pants has got to be worth keeping, isn't it?
You're a real blubber, Guts, man. Blubber, Guts. Oh, legend, man, legend.
Granny's still burping bees. I'm biting all my nails off, wondering what on earth to do. And you're about to watch SpongeBob Spare Parts.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Meow. Meow.
What do you call Max Bygraves walking through a cemetery? I don't know. Max Bygraves.
Armpit,
Yeah?
I can feel a song coming on.
Oh, no, not a song.
Granny is all crooked, and her face is all askew. She sucks on all her food because she can no longer chew. She keeps her dentures in a glass of water through the night. She tells us about the times when televisions were black and white. But these are things that make us love our grands the way we do. Oh, even when she's gone a bit deaf and she's a bit cuckoo, Granny is all wrinkly. This is why we love her so. Oh yes, we love our gran. But oh, these bees have got to go. But we love our gran. Even when she's burping bees. We love our grans. Nobly hands and nobly knees. Oh, she's so wrinkly, she's so crinkly. This is why we love her so. Yes, oh yes, I love my gran.
But seriously, man, these bees, they have just got to go. Got to go!
Oh, I'll get it. Kings!
Grandma?
I've come to stay.
She's not my grandma. She's an imposter. She's a thing from outer space. She's an alien. She's come to snatch me body. Oh, Tarquin, give me that fly swat. My granny would taste a lot nicer than that.
Well, my ging and ghoulies, that's about it for another ghoulish week at Filthy Manor. Oh, but before I forget, you can watch all my best bits of today's show next Friday at 4:30 in my Ghoulie Bits. And never fear, I'll be back with brand new amazing ghoulies at the same time next week only on Nickelodeon. Tatty bye-bye.
Sorry to bother you again. Did I leave my grandma behind?